Welcome to the Woxo Mini-Series tutorial. Today we are doing voice selection. Let's find your perfect narrator. First, open Woxo and get started. Select the video you want to edit and click on the voices icon in the sidebar. Browse through our library of professional voices. You can preview different accents and tones to match your brand. Once you find the right fit, click Apply Changes to update the narration across your entire project.
Ever wondered how cats choose their humans? It's not just about food. They observe us closely. Ever wondered how cats choose their humans? It's not just about food. They observe us closely.
Give your stories a completely different vibe with just one click. It's that easy. Go to Woxo and find your perfect voice today.